Hello, welcome back to Hidden Home. Again, another super fast update as we are racing against the clock this week a little bit. But I like these little progress videos. I hope other guys do too. God, stumbling on my words because I'm trying to be quick. Right, turn the camera around. So, the equipment rack has been fabricated. It's had its first wax and a little sand back. Nice and smooth, ready for its next coat, and I've cut the flooring and everything around it, so that will get slid out, back wall painted, slid back in, and then it will get top coated or second and third coated. Over here we have switch view spurs for the projector and the two subwoofers, so they can all be switched off with ease. And in the back of there's 4 double sockets for each 2 shelves, and there's holes between everything to allow for all the cables. Where else are we? So all of the perimeter is done apart from after lunch here. I'm going to scribe that and I'm going to infill all those bits around there. And then if there's time, I'll build the shelf for above the radiator, but I think that's optimistic in a day. Sorry, I cut my finger as well. Yeah, keep you updated and see you soon. Bye.